All right, traders. I finally got my headphones situated. I would like to go over a trade that I took New York session that I gave out to the group. Also, I would like to say that this week has been really weird. Like the markets were doing some weird stuff. If you were a counter trend trader, you probably got smashed. And we probably got smashed on a few of our trades going counter trend. But all the ones that went in the right direction, we did pretty good, pretty well at it. So this NAS 100, um, let me pull up another NASDAQ. I'll put another one right there. Where's the NASDAQ at? NAS 100. Where I put the NASDAQ at? Okay, it's right there. Okay. So let's see if they will let me do this. Okay, they will. Um, Now come this is what I mean by counter trending. Counter trend trades were trash, which I'm gonna stop doing. Now, I already knew that NASDAQ was trying to push up, as we see right here. Um, let's just quickly do this. We have this, this, and then those two. That's three touches at probably, was it a weekly or yeah. These are my favorite setups when you have these rally-based rally demands where it's just tap and it's going to continue going up. I can see the NASDAQ pushing back up to start, coming back to some of these areas that it turned around at. And that was off of the daily. And I actually was going to give out a swing trade, but I just didn't do it. But knowing this weekly candle for the whole week was bullish. And knowing about the three touches, I didn't want to counter trend trade. I think we counter trend trade NASDAQ one time, and I think we won. Yeah, we won that one, but I knew that the trend for the weekly was bullish. We have a lot of bullish candles, and you know, I'm looking at it coming back in this area to come back test these highs right here. I'm just putting that right there. Don't start thinking I'm trading support and resistance or nothing. So the whole idea is it's going to come back up here to this 11,800 area. So coming into the market Friday, uh, what happened? What happened? Well, this is the move right here. Well, let me take this off. Now you see the move, but we were right here at this point. Coming in Friday, I'm like, okay, it's bearish for a moment, but we have an M5 demand right there. Oh shoot. And what this is really this is really messy. Last time it came right here off that demand, it pushed up. So this is a second test. So basically it goes like this, family. When the market is pushing up, uh-oh. When the market pushes up, starts consolidating and then pushes up again, right? What ends up happening is this when for you supply and demand sellers. There's a demand that gets created right there. So, it pushes up and, you know, it comes back and maybe retraces again and pushes up a little bit more. So what this thing did is come back right here again for the, a second or third time. You have a better probability of coming and taking that buy and coming back to the high where, maybe it was a supply right here. So that's basically what I was looking at when I was doing this. It's a rally, base, rally, base, rally, back down to base, and you look for the opportunity to go long again. Especially once we just saw that NASDAQ is bullish anyway. So that's what I was looking here. Doesn't look like that, but you get the drift. So I went down to the M3 and I saw or 3M. I say M3. I saw that this is this is I don't like doing trend lines that much, but I saw that this was giving too much pressure to keep it pushing into the zone. So you've seen these before. Just keep touching, touching, and drop. I didn't want it to break that zone. So what I did is, let's see. Once it broke the zone, so it's breaking the zone. We got something like that. I'm in long. It broke out of that. I put it below the structure, and I'm tagging back to highs, 1 to 3. I gave it out as a 1 to 2 because the way it I was already in, but on the M5 it came out as a 2 to 1 to give out to the class, so they got their 2 to 1. But I'm already in, and this is the result. I mean, you already saw it. Let's go a little faster. So this was the result, and we were out. That's the result that we got off of that rally-based rally, something like that. I think that's the third time it touched. No, that's the first touch. Oh, it's just a second touch. I would have loved that first touch, but I think wasn't trading at that time. Or maybe I did take this. I don't know. I had to look on my MetaTrader. I did. I think I did take it. But beautiful trade. I could have tightened it up a little bit. I wanted to, and to get a 1 to 6 out of this. I could have, put it below that low. But you didn't want to get tagged out. So I put it below. I put it above this. But I knew that the trend, like I said, was up to the upside. And obviously, you see it came down. This is what happened afterwards. It made the impulsive move, took us out, and I saw another M5 or M3. So it rallied, base, rally, back to the base, and there's the break of the candle right there. Once it breaks the candle, you could have took it right there, and either took it back up to that high or just continue, you know, seeing where it wanted to go because it's already bullish for the week. So that's how you take these continuations with these rally-based rallies. And that's based off of seeing that we had that triple bottom and it was just pushing up. And instead of looking for reversals like most traders do, just go with the trend. NASDAQ, US 30, all these things are bullish instruments. And, you know, it's a bullish instrument. So you should be looking for buys anyway, unless, obviously you see a dead on sale like how it's been doing. But all these sales are just based off of supply and demand. There's supply right there. It wicked it 1, 2, 3 in the drop. You know what I'm saying? Like, well, this one right here, somewhere on a lower time frame, that's probably supply. Let's see. There we go. Yeah, that might see that didn't come up to this didn't really make a really good supply. I think that one probably on a lower time frame was a supply. So when it came back there, it tapped it and then dropped. These would have been perfect trades if I would have just caught this whole thing, but it's cool. Anyone that bought down here and is holding, you're a genius. You're just a genius. Because let's look at US 30. It's already like you see this move is what it's done. It's about to make a high. It's just it's just starting to become too easy. I think yeah, SP 500 did the same thing off of rally. See the market is making higher lows. Then it based right here, rallied, came back to the base, consolidated a little bit, broke that candle. It's coming up. That's an upward trend. You shouldn't be looking for no sales. Really don't, you could take the sales, but I really wouldn't be looking for them, honestly. Like, yeah, whoever took this sale, I mean, there's no, yeah, see, I was just looking for buys all week and probably continuations for the next week until something else happens. But We'll have a better week next week. No more counter trend trading. I think I'm done with counter trend trading because I looked at some of my trades, the ones I lost, the ones we lost were counter trend trades, especially on AU. And yeah, it gave you some trade setups that was bearish, but for the most part, this has been bullish. So when it does drop like this, coming over here to the M5, like stuff like this, man, like seeing stuff like this is just makes it textbook. But look at that move. That'd have been beautiful. Yeah, this sucker been going up. Okay, yeah. But anyways, just want to let you guys see that NAS 100 trade we set up that setup we took this morning. Probably gonna be looking for continuations next week. So you guys enjoy your week, get you some rest, and I will catch up with you next week. Peace.